Hello everybody, it's Hanex here. In today's tutorial I will show you how to make a paper turn effect in Photoshop. First of all, we have these two images. We draw a rectangle and move to the corner where we want the paper turn effect. In my example it will be the right bottom corner. Double click on the rectangle, go to gradient overlay and select the white to black effect with the 130-140 degree and press OK. Select the rectangle and the top layer, right click and convert to Smart Object. Ctrl T on the top layer, right click and select Warp and drag the corner to create the paper turn effect. Double click on the top layer and just click Drop Shadow to make it more realistic. And we are done with our effect. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel.